Hi guys, welcome to Kampers Corner. My name's Eddie.
I'm Yeti, and today we're going to sing a song for you about dogs and where have they been. So what's going to happen is we're going to pick a different dog's name each time we go through it, and you guys, we're going to post the lyrics below, and you're going to follow along, and I think we're ready. My first dog that I ever had, its name was Jelly. So, here we go. My dog Jelly ran away. My dog Jelly stayed away. Nowhere has my dog been seen. Where, oh, where has Jelly been? Jelly bean, Jelly bean, where has Jelly been? Jelly bean, Jelly bean, where has Jelly been? Alright, I have a dog. Oh.
He also went missing.
Yeah.
And my dog's name was REFRIED.
Oh, good old REFRIED. Strong and sturdy name. So, my dog REFRIED ran away. My dog REFRIED stayed away. Nowhere has my dog been seen. Where, oh, where has REFRIED been? REFRIED bean, REFRIED bean, where, oh, where has REFRIED been? REFRIED bean, REFRIED bean, where, oh, where has REFRIED been? Both of our dogs ran away at the same time there.
Yep.
Jelly was gone as well. Alright, my second dog, unfortunately, good old reliable Lima. I don't know where Lima's at, but it's okay, we got this. Ready?
Oh yeah. My dog Lima ran away. My dog Lima stayed away. Nowhere has my dog been seen. Where, oh, where has Lima been? Lima bean, Lima bean, where has Lima been? Lima bean, Lima bean, where has Lima been?
Woo! Good job!
Excellent. Now you guys can submit the names of your dogs, and we will do another song about our missing dogs later on. Your dog does not need to be missing to submit the dog's name, okay? Just submit a dog's name or a name that you think might work with the song, okay?
It might be a bit bean-like.
Yes. Oh.
Very beany, so.
All right. Thanks for joining us, guys. Thanks, essential workers. Have a good day, everybody.